Welcome to this video training series on Clickbank. In this training, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Clickbank and how you can use it to earn commissions online. Before we dive into the valuable Clickbank training, don't forget to show some love by liking, subscribing, and smashing that notification bell, ensuring you never miss out on the wealth-making content. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Clickbank. Clickbank is not a system, but rather a fully fledged affiliate network where you can find products to promote and earn commissions. Think of it as a marketplace where you can discover different products from various categories. Step 2. Finding the right product. To begin, navigate to the Clickbank marketplace from your account. Here, you can explore different product categories. For example, if you're in the marketplace and you click on the business investing category, you'll find a list of products in the business and investing niche. Choose a product that interests you and click on Promote to get your affiliate link. It's that easy. Step 3. Considering gravity. When choosing a product to promote, pay attention to its gravity. Gravity indicates how often a product is being promoted. A higher gravity suggests that many affiliate marketers are endorsing the product. While this might seem attractive, bear in mind that it also means increased competition. So, strike a balance and aim for a gravity that suits your preferences. Make sure that you pick products with a gravity score of over 25. Step 4. Assessing commission structure. Next, take a look at the product's commission structure. Check how much you earn per sale, the average commission, and if there are any recurring payments, which are also known as rebills. It's vital to understand the potential earnings before committing to promoting a product. Step 5. Evaluating initial sale and commissions. Consider the initial sale commission and average sale commission. Some products have low initial sale commissions, which may not seem appealing at first. However, keep in mind that your goal should be to make significant commissions. Higher commissions can make a real difference in your income. Imagine making $1,000 per sale instead of $25. It changes the game. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, and smashing that notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss out on my upcoming videos that will guide you towards online business success. Step 6. Exploring traffic sources. When it comes to driving traffic to your Clickbank offers, there are various sources you can tap into. Some popular options include social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can also consider creating a blog, utilizing email marketing, or even paid advertising through platforms like Google Ads or Solo Ads. Experiment with different sources to find what works best for you. For me, I use YouTube to get visitors organically. Step 7. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms offer an incredible opportunity to connect with your audience and promote your Clickbank products. Create engaging content that provides value and resonates with your target market. Build a strong brand presence by consistently sharing helpful tips, success stories, and product recommendations. Don't forget to include your Clickbank affiliate links strategically within your posts to drive traffic and earn commissions. Step 8. Building an email list. Building an email list is crucial for long-term success as an affiliate marketer. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as an ebook or video course, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. With an email list, you can consistently engage with your audience, nurture relationships, and promote Clickbank products directly to their inbox. Email marketing allows for more personalized and targeted communication, increasing the chances of conversions. Step 9. High-ticket affiliate programs. While Clickbank offers a wide range of products, it's worth considering high-ticket affiliate programs for bigger commissions. These programs often provide products or services with higher price points and subsequently higher commissions. Research and explore reputable high-ticket affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer substantial earning potential. Remember, it's not just about the commission percentage, but also the overall value you can provide to your audience. Step 10. Continuous learning and adaptation. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated and adapt your strategies accordingly. Keep learning from reputable sources and staying on top of industry trends. Attend webinars, read blogs, and invest in courses that can help you enhance your marketing skills and tactics. Adaptation is key to thriving in the ever-changing landscape of affiliate marketing. If you've been having a blast watching this info spike video, I have a little favor to ask you. Unleash your inner smashing champion and give that like button a satisfying thump. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with my future wealth creation videos. And also gently ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of secrets and strategies that will help you conquer the world of affiliate marketing like a boss. Don't worry, I've got your back on this exciting journey to business and financial prosperity. Also, if you're looking for more structured training, check out the link in my description. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Clickbank works, how to find the right products, drive traffic, and the benefits of high-ticket affiliate programs. Remember to be patient, as success in affiliate marketing takes time and consistent effort. Keep implementing the strategies you've learned, monitor your results, and adapt as needed until you achieve your desired level of success. Best of luck on your Clickbank journey, and I'll see you in future training videos.